Okay, hi everybody. So, now I'm gonna do something that I always wanted to do, and I said when I come here and when it's gonna be snow, I need to do something. It's like living your life to the fullest, and I am really fascinated about the ice baths and ice showers. But since it snowed last night, and I'm wearing my bikinis, I will go and do some rolling commandos in the snow outside. And then, okay, we have a bathtub as well upstairs, but I'm gonna just have my really hot shower after. So it's a very, I'm already freaking out. It's a very, how you say, it's called kniping, and where you do basically, you increase the circulation of the blood flow when you're changing between the ice, cold and hot, environments. So right now, my heart is beating so fast, and I have neighbors and tenants behind me. I hope they will not think I'm totally cuckoo, but I think they're also used to the cold climate environment, so let's hope this will not be the case. But yeah, I'm gonna go now outside. It's very, very cold, and yeah, let's do this. Oh my god. So I'll go down and I'll just put this here and I'll just roll there. And yeah. Oh my goodness, let's do this. Oh my god, must be crazy. Okay, I did it. Let's go in. This feels amazing. Oh my god, let's go to have a hot shower. Okay, let me put you here. I have to hot shower. I already prepared my hot water. I think I should have stayed a little bit longer. But yeah. It feels so good. It feels amazing. I did it. This is one of the challenges I've always wanted to do. But the thing is, like in Seychelles, I did like a cold bath as well, but it's not the same because it's Seychelles is really, really it's warm. So even if you have the ice bath, which I did, it doesn't feel as cold. And I think now I will just repeat because it feels so good. And I think I'm gonna lay a little bit longer there. Yeah, let's do a repeat. Some tea, and I found rooibos vanilla. So right now I'm enjoying my tea to extra warm up my body, but it's great, like exposure to the snow and cold and then going into direct hot shower. It's just magical, and then you internally also warm yourself, and with tea is the best option. And yeah, so I feel amazing. I feel really, really alive, full of energy. And I've been reading Wim Hof's book, Iceman, and it's really, awesome. So, and it has a lot of health benefits. So if you don't have snow or ice, then cold showers every single day,
Can I
1 to
have
2
another
minutes.
one?
Yes, you can have another one. So let's say exposure to 1 to 2 minutes of the cold showers per day is very beneficial, and it opens up all the blood flow throughout your body, and it's really good for your health, and it's energizing. So yeah, that's the life what I'm craving for, full of adventures, full of this kind of challenges. And I'm always so fascinated by our bodies, how we adapt to it, and how important our mind is as well. So if we are really determined in our mind and focused, and that we want to do something, our body will follow. Also regarding if we are sick, or if we have any disease, we can actually influence it with our positive mindset. So this is something that I'm really passionate about. And yeah, so I'm like love to discover these kind of things, and I show it to you.
Ooh.
And yeah, so this is one of the challenges that I completed. I still have few,
with the clip,
and yeah, so I will share them when the time comes. But let me know if you want that I do something crazy. I will try to do it, but not too crazy, obviously. So yeah, I love to, to test my boundaries. But this was this was really, really great. I feel energized, alive, you're not cold anymore. Like it's really good. So let me see. Yeah, it's awesome. Right? Okay. All right. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Addio.
Adio.